All right, so let's start with end of life and what that means. So when we say GP 2013 is reaching end of life, this just means that Microsoft will no longer continue mainstream support for the product starting on April 20th of this year. Although your system will still continue to run as is, Microsoft will no longer release any bug fixes, patches, or new feature and functionality updates to this version. This is very important to take into consideration if you're running payroll on GP, as Microsoft will no longer release those annual year-end service pack updates that encompasses all of the necessary payroll and tax updates for the following year. So those of you running GP payroll right now know how important that is. So it's definitely important to talk to your account manager about an update if you are running payroll right now. This also means that both you and Sikich can no longer rely on Microsoft support if needed. So of course, Sikich will still continue to support you as your GP partner and will continue to assist in any way that we possibly can. But if for whatever reason we need to go to Microsoft for something major like a data corruption, they'll no longer be able to assist. And then lastly, eventually support for the latest third-party products, operating systems, and server versions will no longer be compatible with GP 2013. So for example, your IT team may want to update to SQL Server 2018 for other products that you may be using, but unfortunately GP 2013 will not be able to support that or be compatible with it moving forward. So it's important to take all of these into consideration when you think about the future for your ERP system.